Right now, you or someone you know is getting denied the loan they need to buy an affordable and reliable vehicle. Millions of us are victims of the current credit system, such as misscoring and fraudulent accounting, or lack of transparency in how we're scored in the first place, especially what many of us are witnessing during the COVID pandemic. 1 in 5 Americans are completely undetectable, living without a credit score and unable to access new or additional financial opportunities that drive the modern economy. After hearing hundreds of first-hand experiences from past and future customers and what they truly need to thrive in life, we created Plensy, the world's first end-to-end credit and lending solution. First, starting off by allowing car buyers to regain control of their buying power and credit score, while taking advantage of interest rates and loan terms that won't break their bank or family's survival.
I'm a registered nurse working in the healthcare field and recently purchased a new car. The interest rate and my credit score weren't reflective of my career nor my history, such as on-time monthly payments of my bills. Since the pandemic, I've had to work random hours traveling across the United States and haven't had to use my car as much. If Plensy were available now, I would be able to refinance and have an affordable car loan, which would allow me to take care of my family more economically while I'm away. Plensy would be life-changing because it reflects where I am, honestly and transparently.
If Plensy was available to us right now, it would make us so happy. Why? Because so much stress about safety and security in your life follows you everywhere. 11 years ago, I had my daughter with 0 child support and 0 help. All I've driven was used cars, abused cars. They got me from A to B. Wasn't very good, not very safe, still not very safe, but I got there. When I grew up, my family didn't teach me about finances and teach me about managing my future. So I really believe that if Plensy was around, it would really help me for me and my daughter and keep us safe.
So how has Plensy achieved this end-to-end credit and lending solution? Let's first start by sharing some alarming facts we implemented to the dashboard of our why. Because face it, every successful company and product was invented and propelled by doses of irritation, frustration, and discontent. Number 1, the credit scoring algorithm that still measures you today hasn't been changed since 1989 and is still privately owned and controlled. Number 2, 220 million US citizens' Social Security, lending collections, and payment data are absorbed by these companies without consumers' permission or approval, punishing them on race, hospital bills, inquiries, and everything in between. Number 3, in addition to charging you a subscription fee to view your credit scores, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax even lower your scores when your credit is pulled for lending, renting a car with a debit card, or applications for homes. Number 4, your current score with these companies are updated monthly or at least every 45 days. This lag in real-time data is woefully inefficient for today's fast-paced economic environment, where transactions can be completed within a matter of nanoseconds using blockchain technology. Number 5 is your current score does not consider other important factors, such as government regulations, market conditions, such as pandemics, your monthly on-time paid expenses, such as rent, employment history, the loan terms, or the total down payment you are willing to pay on a transaction. Plensy, an acronym for points-based lending system, leverages the blockchain to ensure the above data is accurate, applied, and transparent. It uses our patent-pending AI to generate your authenticated creditworthiness without increasing credit risk or any basis of discriminatory racial effects. By expanding the marketplace, diversifying risk, and creating social impact, Plensy is the most intricate and needed part of the equation to disrupt the monopolized for-profit credit scoring companies. After we self-funded several $1 million building the technology and testing it across 3.3 million data points, our founder, Sam, contacted his past colleagues at many dealerships. Safe to say, we were needed. Plensy assigned roughly 120 dealerships in less than 90 days, and they collectively sell over 250,000 cars per year. We now have further simplified and accelerated the car buying experience and process by applying NFTs to vehicles, calling them Auto Smart Loans. which will reduce risk for the dealership, present fair interest rates and loan terms, and save you countless hours at the dealership. In addition, Plensy has set aside a 20% reserve in its financial model, which far exceeds the banking industry standard of 5%. No wonder why we are always bailing them out. With your help, we can finish the process of funding loans and supply better credit scoring as an added solution to the DeFi market, an antiquated $1.4 trillion annual automotive loan sector. If you want a higher quality of life, take the first step by pledging to our campaign, where Plensy will bring honest and equitable financing to the masses. Let's make a difference together by creating a world of plenty with Plensy.